17th July 2021. My name is Adebimpe Olajiga, reporting for Punch newspaper, and we are live at Igondo, where Mary, the amputee who used to be a pure water hawker, if you can remember, sometimes in March we did a story around her where she told us about how she lost her leg, the death of her parents, and many more. And that interview got the attention of so many Nigerians who donated a sum of 25 million to her, according to her. And now, today we are live at a housewarming. She's here to launch the money, the house which she used the money in getting. And as you can see, we are there live and direct. And still in the compound, she built a pure water factory, which is yet to complete. This is the pure water factory. She intends to have her own brand, which she named Mary Daniels. She has gotten some equipment for the pure water, and we'll interview her, and afterwards I will take you around. This is Mary Daniels. This, remember, she said she has a daughter. This is a baby girl. Sorry. So this is the house, and she said she acquired this house for 17.5 million naira. It is in Igondo. According to Mary, she already has 2 tenants in the house, and in the same compound she has a pure water factory in view, as you can see. So this is where she intends to use for the pure water factory. We'll be talking to Mary right about now. Mary, good morning. How do you feel today?
Sorry.
What did you say? So, congratulations on your new house. How much did you acquire this property?
The house?
Yes.
17.5 million.
17.5 million. Okay.
So, Mary, I believe that today is one of the days you have been waiting for all this while. Can you tell us how happy you are today? How happy are you today?
I'm happy for the house.
Speak louder, Mary. I know you are happy. Let us see that.
I said I'm happy for the house and the factory and everything.
Okay, if I may ask you, Mary, why did you decide to open up a sachet water factory?
Because that's what gives me money. I bought the house and I still use the opportunity to open the factory.
Okay.
So now, what is your plan? What is your projection that maybe in 1 year that you start the business, what do you want to achieve? What are your targets?
I still target more things, but I've not taken that one yet.
Okay. So in total, can you tell us how much you made? How much was donated to you?
The Nigeria could donate almost 5 million.
Almost, or more than?
No.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, then you told us that you wanted your daughter to be with you. Is your daughter with you now?
Yes. She's with me.
Okay.
Okay.
So, what is her name? Can we know her?
Success.
Wow, Success. So, has she started school?
Yes.
Okay.
What class is she?
She's in KG1.
Wow.
Okay, Mary, we are launching your house today, and we can see that the pure water factory is not completed. What do you have to say about that?
Because I haven't confused.
You are confused. Speak louder, Mary.
I don't know whether some Nigeria people still help me again to even complete that the water factory. Because there's many things to incomplete.
Okay. What have you done so far in the factory?
I bought the engine, the gen, many things of the...
Mary, you seem to have disagreement with your father. So what is the... No. So what is the situation now? Have you reconciled with your family?
No.
Okay, you've not. What about your grandmother? Okay, after the whole interview, we saw your grandmother came out to say some things. What do you have to say about that?
What am I have to say about that?
You don't have anything to say about that. Okay, can you take us around your house and show us? Can you take us from your factory to your house? Let's just see how it looks like. So now we are still live at Mary Daniel's new apartment where she... Okay, this is what? The engine. Okay, for the pure water. Okay. The filter. Okay. So now what exactly is left to complete this?
Use the pipes and the tank of the pure water with the electrician with the floor zinc.
Okay, what about NAVDAC number? Have you done?
Yes.
You've done that. What do you intend to name the brand?
Mary Daniel.
Mary Daniels. Okay, thank you. Mary Daniel or Mary Daniels?
Mary Daniel pure water.
Okay, thank you. Okay. So this is what Mary's proposed pure water factory looks like, and she's yet to complete it. We are still live at her house.
She's not taking us around the process thing that has been done. So making her just to follow
The small gen of the big gen, the small one.
Okay, so you have like 2 generators for this.
This one is the one that used to pour water.
Okay.
So this is a small gen.
Small gen.
The big one on that side.
Okay.
The pure water, this thing, the thing they put inside the water to not have taste.
Okay, to make it tasteless and odorless. Okay.
Good dog to you. Come on.
Mary. Okay.
We are live at Igodo, at the official opening of the Mediterranean house.